So here's a very unique dual channel dash cam concept. So what happens in a normal dual channel is that you get a front camera and you get a rear camera. That completes the dual channel setup. But in the Vantrue NX2, you get a front camera and you get a cabin camera and not the regular or the traditional rear camera. So this applies to a very specific set of people who are looking for that specific setup. I mean, I have had a few requests, few people coming in and asking me if there is a front and a cabin camera only without the rear camera. So if you're someone who is looking for that specific purpose, looking for that specific kind of recording, the Vantrue NX2 will serve you the best. The good thing about this dashcam is that this comes in at a price of 19,999, and wait, you will get additional discount because of the exclusive collaboration between Gizmobeep and Dashcameras.in. So you get a 1,250 discount coupon just by applying the coupon code Gizmobeep, bringing down the price to close to about 18,750. That being said, this coupon is applicable only on the Vantrue India website. This is a 100% genuine and trustworthy website from Vantrue, and you can purchase from this website with complete peace of mind. That being said, coming in at a price of 18,750 rupees, this camera offers you a Starvis-2 IMX675 sensor for the front, giving you a 1944p resolution at 30 frames per second. But if you are someone who prefers a bit more higher frame rate, well, this camera also shoots a 1440p Quad HD resolution from the front, giving you a frame rate of about 60 fps. Additionally, this camera also supports dual HDR, which means both front and the cabin camera support HDR, enhancing the overall video quality of this dash cam. Additionally, this camera also gets a 2-inch display so that you can easily monitor the working of the car, the recording, the settings and rest of the stuff. But I do need to note that this camera has been designed in a very well-made manner. I mean, the quality and the design concept is super good. I specifically like the backlit LED buttons which are placed right next to the display. They look really cool at night and makes handling or makes using of the dash cam much easier than most other dash cams which don't get backlit buttons. Additionally, this is an IPS display on the camera, so the viewing angles are pretty much flawless. This camera also gets a built-in GPS basically within the windshield mount so that you have accurate tracking of the car. I mean, if you do download the videos, you can later on track the movement of the car within the Vantrue app for PC, and of course you can even do it on the smartphone app. Along with that, this camera also gets voice control, which is very much in demand these days, which makes controlling of the dashcam so much easier. And this also gets a 5 GHz network so that you can transfer the video files wirelessly at a super fast speed. But do note that this camera also gets a dedicated Type-C data transfer port along with a data transfer cable inside the box, which means you can directly connect your smartphone to the dashcam using the Type-C to Type-C cable and transfer videos in a super fast way directly from the dashcam. You don't have to remove the dashcam, you don't have to remove the memory card, just plug in the cable and you're basically done. That's a level of convenience which I personally like in my dash cameras. Additionally, this camera also supports not just 256 but 512 GB storage. You can practically forget about getting videos deleted even on your longest journeys. Another important aspect of this camera is that this gets some really cool accessories which probably most other cameras in this price range will probably even never give you. Starting with, you get a CPL filter as an optional purchase. You get a wireless remote as an optional purchase, and you also get a 5-level adjustable hardwire kit also as an optional purchase. Now talking about the hardwire kit, this camera, the Vantrue NX2, gets the most advanced parking monitoring features under the 20,000 segment, and trust me, these parking modes are right up to the level of what VO4 offers in their super premium cameras. Starting with the fact that this gets basically 4 different parking modes, in that you get buffered parking mode wherein the camera will record 15 seconds prior to what any event that might have occurred and probably a minute after the event occurs so that you know how the complete event unfolded. Secondly, this camera also gets motion detection and also gets low frame rate and low bitrate recording along with time-lapse monitoring. So lots of advanced parking monitoring features within the 20,000 segment. This camera is unique within this aspect. And since we were just speaking about the accessories, you can also purchase a Vantrue branded micro SD card straight up from the website while you're purchasing the dashcam. Just add it to the cart while you purchase it, and you can be assured that there will be 100% compatibility and you won't find any file writing error or any video writing error if you do purchase the Vantrue branded micro SD card while purchasing the Dashcam. Another practical feature implemented by this camera is its easily detachable and rotatable windshield mount. So the windshield mount can be detached from the windshield, and the camera by itself can be rotated and turned around about 175 degrees, and the interior camera close to can be rotated up and down, or should I say tilted up and down close to about 45 degrees. So you have a broad range of coverage for this camera in terms of covering various different camera angles. So all in all, based on my initial first usage, I'm completely happy with the kind of quality, the build quality and the design concept of this camera. And of course the video quality is also quite impressive. Now since this gets a Starvis-2 sensor, gets you a 1944p 2.7K resolution, you can be assured that this is the best within that price range coming in from Vantrue. And of course this offering a very unique concept wherein the front camera of course gets you the 2.7K, but the cabin camera acts as a rear camera. So basically you can take a look at what's happening behind the car just by the cabin camera, and of course you get the cabin view if you're someone who wants to record the interior of your car. So this is a very new and unique concept implemented by Vantrue, and I'm interested to see the kind of response people give to this and the kind of sales this dash camera achieves because of its unique concept. If you are interested in purchasing this dash camera, and as I said previously, this camera originally coming in at 19,999, but due to the exclusive collaboration between Gizmobeep and Dashcameras.in, you get a 1,250 discount coupon, and for that you just need to apply the coupon code Gizmobeep while doing the purchase process. So the price comes down to about 18,750 to 740 rupees. So go ahead, grab it directly from the Vantrue website. The purchase link is given right down below. This website is 100% trustworthy and 100% genuine. That being said, if you like this video and if you do have any queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now. Smash that like button and share this video to all those who want a front camera and a cabin camera instead of a normal rear camera. See you in the next one.